さあ行くぞ
Grab your favorite 5-litre jar, wash him out, make sure he's nice and clean. Grab 1 kilo of fresh green plums. Take out the stalks using a skewer or a chopstick. Make sure you check for any cuts in the fruit. Now we're going to give them all a good rinse one by one. Double check for any bad fruit as well. Grab a towel and wipe off any excess water. You need everyone sparkly clean and bone dry before they go anywhere. And just quickly set them off to the side to let them air dry for a bit. Grab some of the finest, cheapest vodka you can find, pour a little bit in and start to disinfect that jar. Make sure you wipe down every nook and cranny that you can find. Once everything is absolutely spotless, shove in a layer of plums. Then once you've got that down, add in another layer of rock sugar, and then another layer of plums, and another layer of rock sugar. About 500 grams of that rock sugar, and then in goes 1.5 litres of vodka. Feel free to use any kind of white alcohol you like. Now all we have to do is wait. 3 months and 1 house later, pull it out from the dry, dark place that you've been storing it in, shove in 1 very clean ladle and just check that nothing's actually gone off in there, and done. In terms of tips, the biggest one we have is to make sure that everything that you do is as clean as possible. As long as you make sure that you've disinfected everything, you should be absolutely fine. This is actually a cheater's way of making Ume-shu, but it's a lot faster than trying to do it over 2 years. Like, subscribe, maybe leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!